Let your shoulders drop and just listen to my voice. Whatever is weighing on your soul, we are leaving it right here. Let's clear your heart and reset your day right now. I release the heavy shadows of the past. My heart space expands with every gentle exhale. I choose to inhabit this moment with grace. Softness is my natural state of being now. Peace settles into the rhythm of my pulse. I am unburdening my soul from old stories. Lightness fills the spaces where tension lived. I trust the wisdom of my own alignment. My spirit navigates this day with fluid ease. I am becoming a vessel for pure clarity. Every breath invites a deeper sense of calm. I relinquish the need to hold on to pain. My inner world is a sanctuary of quiet. I move through life with radiant intention. Clarity is my compass in every decision. I permit myself the luxury of total release. My heart beats in harmony with the universe. I am shedding the armor of heavy expectations. Everything I need exists within my stillness. I embrace the beauty of my current evolution. I forgive the parts of me that struggled. New perspectives bloom within my open mind. I am grounded in a steady, soulful truth. My presence creates a ripple of gentle peace. I choose to flow rather than to resist. I release all energy that is not mine. My mind is a mirror of calm waters. I am worthy of a life without heaviness. Every cell in my body relaxes into trust. I walk forward with a quiet, steady heart. My soul knows the way to perfect balance. I acknowledge my capacity for inner renewal. I trade my burdens for a gentle focus. My spirit is light, unburdened, and free. I am aligning with my highest, brightest self. I dissolve the walls around my open heart. I welcome the support of the present moment. My life unfolds with effortless, graceful ease. I am anchored in a deep, lasting serenity. I choose to cultivate joy in the silence. I release the weight of unspoken concerns. My energy is pure, clear, and vibrant. I am at home in my own skin. I trust the path that is currently forming. My heart is a source of infinite peace. I am the architect of my own relief. I allow the universe to hold my worries. My spirit rises to meet this new day. I am centered in the warmth of now. Everything is settling into perfect, quiet place. Now, focus on your breath, gently bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in, feeling the power of these affirmations rooting deep within you, and exhale, releasing any doubt. Your spirit is now anchored in a quiet, expansive clarity. Carry this newfound lightness into every moment of your day. If you enjoyed this session, subscribe, and come back anytime. Have a great day and see you in the next session.